WM-1200A5-MT automatic, 5-axis CNC milling and turning machine is designed for the shaping and finishing stage in woodworking production, where accuracy, consistency, and productivity are critical. This machine is mainly used to machine round and complex wooden parts, such as table legs, chair legs, columns, and decorative